Wednesday. Yes, ma'am. Step on the T. Nope, the T behind you. When the green light comes on, sign. Next. Come on. Red X, sir. Next. He's working on it. Go ahead and sign.
You lose one, Fambro?
What you say, huh?
I just asked a question. Oh, never mind. Oh, we moved. You didn't lose him.
Say your name, sir.
Hard of walking, hard of hearing, hard of. Don't go back to Gulf Coast. Allegedly. Seriously? This is what we're doing now? Okay. Hey, Mr. Howard, you're 3 years younger than I am. You can hear?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Mr. Day, you're before the court, charged of trespass. You understand that charge? Well, do we need a do sign?
I don't know. You know, I often wonder.
Yes, sir.
Shame.
What are we doing here today? Come on.
I don't know.
We'll scream at him loud enough that he gets.
I tried.
Well,
What do you want from me? They don't pay me to be the interpreter.
Okay. January 8th.
Yes, sir.
Does qualify.
You can take
Given
it
the
back.
public- They need to go out and see him in person.
Feet up, back.
Yes, sir.
Pick your feet up and lean back.
1 second.
It's not the years, it's the mileage. In the high octane. Or no, it's the low octane. Runs dirty.
Light comes on, sign. Next. Red X, sir. Say your name.
Andre Byard.
Mr. Byard, before the court, charged with possession of fentanyl and trespass. Do you understand the charges?
Huh?
Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yeah.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
I got a copy of the paperwork. Yeah, I seen it.
Okay. They advised you of your rights today?
No, they ain't arrived me my rights today.
Not got arrested today.
No, they just.
Nobody? Stanbro, you falling down?
Pardon me?
You falling down on your job again?
Not never.
That's what I like to hear. Mr. Byard, you've got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you, which I just did. You have the right to reasonable accommodations for communication with friends and family regarding the status of your case. You got any questions about any of these rights?
I thought these charges would be dropped.
Well,
That means I don't have a trespass and none of that
put them
stuff.
one hand and crap in the other and see which helps. So right now, the charges are going forward. Deputy, criminal history?
24, burglary, VLP, controlled substance, loitering, 22, contempt, violation of an injunction. In Georgia, you have assault in 22, and that's it.
Onset 10,000, 1,500 on the trespass. Court date is February the 3rd, 9 o'clock with random UAs.
How y'all charging with that? And the whole world can y'all do what y'all had did yesterday. How y'all still prolong on with a charge and it was criminal activity with y'all officers, what they did?
Wait and talk to your public defender about all that, okay?
All right.
Step on the T. When the green light comes on, sign. FedEx, sir. There you go. State your name.
Mr. Doherty, full court charge of obstructing justice by hindering 911 call, domestic violence, battery, and trespass. Do you understand the charges?
Actually, I really didn't understand some of these charges. And am I allowed a public defender?
You do qualify for a public defender.
Yeah.
When a appointed
Are they
public
here?
defender,
Because I asked him last night. Is this the public defender?
there, that is one on the screen with you.
Okay, so what are my options here? I don't really understand. I mean, I understand some of it. The thing.
You can talk to your public defender about all that later.
Okay, just so not guilty and just talk to the.
There you go.
Excellent.
Deputy, criminal history?
2 violation of protection orders out of Ohio last year.
Bond set at 5,000 on the deprivation of 911.
Can we get the bond waived due to my financial and illness?
5,000 on the domestic violence battery, 2,500 on the trespass, no contact directly, indirectly, or through a third party alleged victim.
They live with me. How can there be contact?
Sir,
They live with me at that.
well,
I can't, it's my house.
okay, well, if it's also her
She's
house.
gonna have to move.
back there. What's
I'm
that?
sorry? Well,
If
then,
she's residing here, if she's residing there legally, you cannot go back to the house.
she does not reside there legally.
Has she been staying there?
Only a couple days just to come down for Christmas to visit with my son.
Okay, well, if she's there, you can't be there.
So where am I supposed to live?
I don't know.
So I'm not allowed back at my house.
Not if
That
she's
I
there.
own.
Not if she's there. While this is pending.
Then how am I supposed to get my stuff?
You can get a law enforcement escort to and from the residence to retrieve your personal effects.
Including my car?
Yes, absolutely, include your car.
So if I were to get bail, I'm sorry, I'm just making sure I understand. So if I get bail, then I have to call police to have escort me to the property to get my things. And then I have to find a new place to live,
Yes,
even though it's my house, her name's not
sounds
on the
like you understand
property,
purpose.
and she doesn't even pay the bill.
I don't think you're asking a question anymore. I think you're just stating what I already told you.
Well, I don't understand how the
I know you
property's
don't.
gonna fail.
What don't you understand?
The property's gonna fail and we're gonna lose it.
Okay, well, again,
It's
I
my
have
house.
to-
I don't have any other homes down in Florida. I don't have anybody down here. I'm the only person down here.
if she's at the
I didn't
residence,
even, all I
You keep-
did was ask her, look. if
Okay,
you're
I
gonna
don't-
be like-
I
I'm
don't,
sorry.
it doesn't matter. You've been charged with a domestic violence crime. In the state of Florida, I'm required to put a no contact order on her behalf against you for the duration of the case. If she is a lawful resident of that address, if she is staying there legally and she is present, you can't be present. I can't make it any clearer than that.
Even though it's not her property, it's not her home, it's not her domicile, it's not any of it.
Again, I don't think you're asking questions. I think you're just stating your incredulity.
Well, I
Situation.
apologize. I'm very confused, sir.
I don't think you're
I
confused at
don't
all.
understand.
Just don't want to understand.
Well, I do want to understand. I just.
Okay, well, I
don't
told you, you
understand
can't go
I
back
have
there.
their residence because she's there.
Correct.
Talk to your public
Seems like-
defender about it.
Seems like
You're
again,
not
we are.
going to win an
in
argument
complete
with the
agreement.
judge.
I'm not meaning to, sir, and I'm
No,
not.
you're not
trying to
arguing.
go-
Just stating what I've told him already over and over again as a question.
I'm just asking if you could please be lenient on the bail so that I can get out. look, everything that's been done is hearsay. I mean, I didn't do it.
Everything
She
I
was
do-
not physically abused. She was not,
Because I wasn't there.
I understand, sir.
So, all
I'm
right.
just very confused and I don't know if I want to stay with this fight if I
I'm
don't.
saying
feel that this-
confused, but you seem to understand the situation. You just don't like it. There's two different things.
Well, because you're not, well, I don't have a choice and that's where I'm asking. So if I'm
I don't
asking
have-
you just kindly, if I just pleaded guilty, what happened? I mean.
Nothing. I can't accept a plea to guilty today. Today is just a bond hearing. It's not a plea day.
Okay, but it also, I mean, I haven't had any offenses in Florida at all. I haven't done anything else.
Okay.
I just don't understand. Just seems a little stiff compared to what actually happened.
Again, I wasn't there. So I don't know what actually happened, but these are my bonds.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign. Next, when the green light comes on, sign. State your name, sir.
Angela Lyons.
Swan, before the court charged with failing to register. You understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. That's true?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, finds you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. So you have an attorney now. Any question about that?
I'm not sure if my lady had got a lawyer or not. She should be at the courthouse. So I don't know if I'm gonna need a public defender or if she already has a lawyer. I have no idea because the phones in the jail are down.
She's got you an attorney.
All right, yes, sir.
Jeff, you come, mister?
He's on a suspended 60 with you. I know I never seen you do 60, but apparently you did.
Why would I do 60? Was it a misdemeanor? Was it a?
It's a misdemeanor, but they all be misdemeanor, and you still be doing more than 60.
Was it a second degree misdemeanor? Or was it like the max I could do?
Keep it a check it. It's on 24/5/39.
24,539. Sure did. Golly, Moses, look at that. All right, so you were reinstated in 24/539 to probation. So this violates that. So I will see you at the VOP that we got coming up on that, okay?
Is my probation not over?
No, nobody, I reinstated you to finish it.
It was supposed to be finished today, right?
So it's supposed to be finished today?
Yeah.
That's not how
I
it
mean-
works, bro. You
Yes,
violated.
sir.
Oh, that's so close and so frustrating. Actually not, because the warrant was signed before, so it really, technically, the warrant itself violated it, but still close, very close. All right, man. All right, I'm filling the register bonds 5,000, but I'm signing the warrant for violation of probation in 24/539. Court date is going to be January the 30th at 9 o'clock on the felony. Good luck, sir.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign.